Hello everybody, I have joined the XMCOSY Pathway Lights bandwagon. I've got a 6-pack here. JK18 did a review on them, and RollingTardis also got a package or 2 of these, or 3 maybe 4, I don't know. He's got a bunch of them, but he did a hack to prolong them, so I've got that premium acrylic conformal coating. I am going to do the same treatment to mine. So we can go ahead and take them out of the box and take a look at them. Directions, don't need those. There we are. Okay. Here's the stakes. And we do have 6 of those. Fantastic. Oh yeah, that's good. Very good. The 1/4-inch thick glass. Okay, I'm gonna do mine on warm. I can do that color or that color, but all the rest of mine are this color, so I'm gonna match them up. And they go together nicely. I'll set those like that for a convenient carrying tray. Aha, they're clever. That's a good tight fit. It's pretty good height. That should be ideal for what I have. So we'll take a look at under here. Looks like I need a number 1 Phillips. I bet I can handle that. And then I'm going to take these outside to do this step, because I don't want to stink up the house. I'm sure this is quite potent. Set that in there like so. Clean up my mess. And we'll go outside. Through the magic of editing, I have got these light assemblies taken apart, and I'm going to give them a spritz of this premium acrylic conformal coating to try to prolong these connections. Got to be very careful with these wires. They don't like to be moved very often. We'll go, RollingTardis suggested I go real easy around the switch, so that's what I'm going to do. That one's been done. Probably would have been a good idea to wear gloves, but oh well. Just anything that might get wet. I think we should be good. Good enough anyway. Anything's going to be better than what it was. I give the back side of the board one more coat. I'll let them dry just a few moments and then put everything back together. And then I'll show y'all where I'm going to go install these. I was looking at the yard last night. It's like, man, where am I going to put these lights? It dawned on me, I found the perfect spot, and it's going to look awesome. And once again, through the power of editing, I have already got these reassembled. Let's see if I messed up. I'm going to give them a test. Excellent, everything is working, so it's time to put these into service. Yep, I think I'm going to like those. All completed. I'm going to go install these. We'll go take a look at them here in just a minute. And I decided to put them out here at this flower bed out in the backyard, south side of the property. Every 5th pavestone. All the way around. I'm not going to put one at this end because this bush gets very big and it spills over the edge of the border there. But that'll look good enough right there. May get another package, and I've got a couple more ideas I want to do, so I may get some more of these. Come back tonight and see what this looks like. Let's check out the lights at night. Here are the existing ones. Ah, but look down there. Here are the XMCOSYs on the warm light setting. That's a nice effect on the brickwork there. Look at it from this side, pan across. Very nice. Take a look at it from over here. Very happy with these and how they turned out. Once again, this has been a look at my XMCOSY LED pathway lights. Thank you for watching.